Explain to the children
Explain to the children
what
what
where do you live means.
means.
Tell them
Tell them
how
how
they
they
should
should
answer
answer
the question.
question.
Ask them
Ask them
where
where
they live.
live.
Tell them
Them
to follow the pattern
where
above.
all
The children do
do
not
not
needed
let
to give
give
their
their
complete
complete
address.
address.
Okay, Sepina, where do you live?
Address.
I live.
Address.
I live